Hi guys, with another video. I am gonna put this switch to Toyota Camry. So this is the switch that whenever you don't you don't wanna like the drain your battery nighttime, you can just open it. Then it's not gonna battery gonna use it, so you're not gonna waste your battery. So this is the switch that I would like to put it on my car. So first things first, then just you take the negative side of the cable. You have to put this switch on negative side of the cable. So just take it out, take it out the take it out the negative cable right there. So and pull it right here. So what we're gonna do, okay, this goes right here. This is gonna, I'm gonna put it, let me see how I can put it. Not this way, no, let me see. No, this is the way, maybe. But I have to, let me decide. This is the best way, but this is not going in. Let me see. Okay. This goes. Then, okay, let me open a little bit. Oh, right there. Okay. Alright. That's should go inside. Okay. Turn it like this. This is the right thing? No, it's not the good way. Anyway, you have to find the proper way to put it this. Maybe, no. This is the way. Maybe not. I have to find, hold on. Well, I have to find the proper way. This is goes here. Let's close it. And this goes here. Right? This is the range 12 millimeter. Just close it. Alright. Almost. I think almost. Okay, let me turn it like this. I don't know. Maybe like this. And let's see how I can put this way. No. This is not the best way. Okay. Okay. I think I have a hard time to put this guy. Let me take it out once again. You have to find the exactly right way to put it this. Hold on a minute. Okay guys, I decided to put this way, but there's a metal here. Maybe I can switch the other way. Yeah, I think this is the way I put right there. Okay, and then just tighten up, just tight here and there, and so after that it's overall. Yeah, this is it. Just clockwise and counterclockwise. You when you open, as disconnecting the battery, and clockwise you turn it. It's gonna, yeah, connecting the battery. So this is it, and I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye bye.